Starting a profitable goat farming business. Goat farming is no longer just a rural tradition. It's a rising business opportunity for farmers and entrepreneurs alike. With strong demand for goat meat, milk, and fiber, starting a profitable goat farming business is not only possible, it's smart. Let's show you how to do it right. Why goats? They're hardy, low maintenance, and reproduce quickly. Goats thrive in diverse environments and require less land than cattle. What's more, consumers are demanding more goat products, from lean meat to creamy cheese and even mohair. Every successful goat farm begins with a solid plan. Ask yourself, am I farming for meat, milk, breeding, or fiber? How much can I invest? Who will buy my products? Once you have the answers, develop a business plan to guide your goals, budgets, and timelines. Not all goats are the same. For meat, consider fast-growing breeds like Boer or Kalahari Red. For milk, Saanen or Toggenburg are the top producers. Nubians are great all-rounders for both meat and milk. Choose a breed that suits your market and your climate. Good housing keeps goats healthy and safe. Shelters should be dry, well-ventilated, and easy to clean. Strong fences, at least 1.5 meters high, are essential. Goats are clever escape artists. Nutrition is key to performance. Goats are browsers. They love shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Supplement with hay, legumes, and minerals. Always provide fresh, clean water. A well-fed goat is a productive goat. Healthy goats mean higher profits. Vaccinate regularly, deworm, and trim hooves. Watch for parasites and isolate sick animals. For breeding, use strong, healthy bucks. Does can give birth twice a year, often to twins or triplets. Keep good records: births, sales, feeding, and expenses. This helps you track progress and make informed decisions. A profitable farm is one that's managed like a business. Start marketing before your goats are ready for sale. You can sell directly to consumers, at butcheries, or online. Consider value-adding, like goat milk products or packaged meat, to increase your profits. Goat farming isn't without its challenges, like diseases, feed shortages, and market access. But with planning, training, and local support, you can overcome these obstacles and build a sustainable income stream. Whether you're a smallholder or an aspiring commercial farmer, goat farming can be your path to financial freedom. Start small, think big, and grow smart. Your profitable goat farming journey starts today. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical farming guides. Got questions about starting your goat farm? Drop them in the comments.
Agri-pedia, your online farming solution.